The Joseph frozen chilled whole turkey meat begins inside controlled breeder farms.
Fertilized eggs are laid in protected nesting boxes to prevent shell damage.
Workers collect eggs multiple times a day to maintain quality and fertility.
Each egg is visually inspected to eliminate cracked or defective shells.
Only structurally perfect eggs move forward to incubation.
Light sanitization reduces surface bacteria without harming embryo viability. Eggs are secured in climate-stable racks for transport to hatcheries. Temperature-controlled transport preserves embryo development.
The incubation phase begins as fertilized eggs travel to specialized hatchery facilities.
Fertilized eggs arrive at specialized hatchery facilities designed for controlled incubation. Eggs are carefully transferred indoors to maintain stable temperature conditions. Environmental conditions are tightly regulated before incubation begins. Automated incubators ensure uniform heat distribution for embryo development. Temperature and humidity initiate the 28-day incubation cycle. Eggs are rotated regularly to prevent embryo adhesion.
Candling allows technicians to confirm embryo viability.
Non-viable eggs are removed to protect hatchery hygiene. As hatching approaches, eggs are repositioned for shell emergence. The hatching process begins as poults break free from their shells. Healthy poults begin emerging after completing the incubation cycle. Warm air circulation dries and stabilizes newly hatched poults.
Each poult is inspected for strength and responsiveness. Only strong poults continue into commercial grow-out farms.
Early vaccination protects flocks from common poultry diseases.
Crates are organized to ensure airflow during transport. Poults begin their journey to grow-out farms. The farming phase begins as turks arrive at grow-out facilities. Poults are released into climate-controlled sheds designed for optimal growth.
Controlled heat keeps young poults warm during early growth.
Nutrient-balanced starter feed supports rapid early development.
Clean water is delivered continuously through nipple systems.
Ventilation systems regulate oxygen and remove excess moisture. Clean bedding maintains hygiene and comfort.
Daily inspections ensure flock health and uniform growth.
Weight monitoring guides feed and environment adjustments.
Feed formulations are adjusted as poults grow.
Ephedruiases. Regular veterinary checks monitor flock health and prevent disease outbreaks. Proper lighting cycles encourage uniform growth and healthy activity levels.
Maintaining clean litter prevents disease and supports healthy growth.
Digital tracking ensures all birds are ready for scheduled processing. Turkeys reach target market weight and are prepared for feed withdrawal before processing.
Feed withdrawal is carefully timed to empty digestive tract before processing.
Transportation plans are finalized, ensuring minimal stress during movement.
Crates are organized for safe, stress-free loading onto transport vehicles.
All staff are informed and prepared for the scheduled processing day.
Low-stress herding ensures bird welfare before transport.
Turkeys are loaded safely into transport crates, ensuring ventilation and comfort.
Crates are stacked to prevent movement and ensure airflow during transit.
Seals are checked and removed carefully to maintain traceability. Trained staff confirm all birds are healthy and unharmed during transport.
Truck returns after safely delivering turkeys to the processing facility.
Automated lifters ensure safe, gentle unloading of live birds.
Each crate is verified to meet welfare and quality standards before processing.
Conveyor system is prepared to transport turkeys safely through the processing stages.
Line speed is calibrated to ensure humane handling during processing.
Electrical stunning renders turkeys unconscious prior to slaughter to ensure humane processing.
Turkeys are positioned carefully to maintain welfare and preparation for humane gun stunning.
Continuous welfare monitoring ensures compliance with humane processing standards.
Bleeding is carefully managed to comply with welfare and quality standards.
Conveyor speed is adjusted to optimize feather removal efficiency while maintaining carcass integrity. After scalding, turkeys are ready for mechanical defeathering.
Mechanical drum removes most feathers efficiently while preserving skin quality.
Remaining small feathers are removed manually to ensure high-quality, clean carcasses. Inspecting skin integrity ensures only high-quality carcasses proceed to evisceration.
Polishing spray removes debris and prepares carcasses for evisceration and chilling.
Automated head removal ensures precision and hygiene in processing.
Cavity wash removes residual blood and debris to ensure food-grade hygiene.
High-pressure rinse ensures carcasses meet strict sanitation standards.
Inspectors verify that every carcass meets hygiene and quality standards.
USDA inspection ensures regulatory compliance for domestic and export markets.
Any carcasses not meeting quality or safety standards are removed immediately.
Approved carcasses are marked for traceability throughout processing.
Proper alignment ensures uniform cooling and subsequent processing efficiency.
Chilling rapidly reduces core temperature to prevent bacterial growth and maintain quality.
Monitoring core temperature ensures proper chilling and food safety compliance.
Drip line removes excess water before further processing, preventing ice buildup and ensuring proper handling.
Air chilling ensures uniform temperature reduction and reduces microbial growth while maintaining product texture.
Controlled airflow reduces excess moisture and prepares carcasses for weighing and grading.
Weighing ensures each turkey meets market weight standards for packaging and grading.
Automated grading ensures uniform product sizing for customer requirements.
The whole turkey line organizes carcasses for subsequent precise cutting operations.
Internal organs are removed hygienically to prepare carcasses for inspection and cleaning.
Livers are separated for food-grade inspection or byproduct processing.
Parts are carefully separated for quality control and further processing.
Gizzards are cleaned thoroughly for food-grade inspection or byproduct use.
Portioning drumsticks prepares the product for packaging and final QC.
Sterilizing knives ensures hygiene and prevents cross-contamination during final trimming.
Final trimming ensures uniform portion size and appealing product appearance.
Final wash maintains product hygiene and prepares portions for inspection and packaging.
Inspectors ensure each portion meets quality standards before labeling and packaging.
Batch codes maintain traceability for quality assurance and export compliance. Portions are queued efficiently for vacuum packaging to maintain freshness. Vacuum sealing preserves freshness, prevents contamination, and extends shelf life. Accurate labeling ensures traceability, compliance, and clear information for retailers and consumers. Stacking trays properly prepares product for uniform freezing and storage. Blast freezing rapidly reduces core temperature to preserve texture, quality, and safety for export. Frozen turkey portions exit blast freezer, maintaining -18 degrees Celsius core temperature for food safety and quality.
Scanning ensures FIFO, first in, first out, inventory management for traceability and freshness. Shrink wrapping ensures export pallets remain intact and protected during long-distance shipping.
We can fit 2 more here.
Tell him to move it closer to the wall.
Frozen turkey pallets are shipped internationally, maintaining cold chain to ensure quality on arrival. If frozen turkey products arrive at retail outlets, ready for customer selection and purchase.
Proper cooking ensures safe consumption while maintaining taste and texture.
Proper cooking ensures safe consumption while maintaining taste and texture.
The journey from farm to table completes with a delicious, safely prepared turkey meal enjoyed by customers.
It looks incredible, Dad.
We are ready. We are when you are.